Hi guys, welcome here. The video starts in the kitchen as most of my videos do. Here I was just pouring myself up a cup of yogurt. I really do love yogurt and so do my kids. So with time I have had to learn how to make it at home to cut costs. So for those who don't know how to do it, here is a little bit of an explanation on how you can do it yourself. This was 5 liters of milk which I brought to a boil, and then I put it in a plastic container for it to cool. If you want your yogurt to come out nice, don't use aluminium or metal things. To my milk, after it cooled down, you wait for it to cool down to like room temperature ish, and then I added yogurt 500 ml, strawberry since I wanted strawberry yogurt, and then I mixed that up. I covered it up nicely and then I stored it in my oven. I usually put it in my oven because it's warm there, it's able to retain the warmth. 12 hours later I came for my yogurt and my yogurt was looking delicious, you guys. Just wait and see. Just see, you guys, just see how good it looks. So I just mixed that up to get a nice consistency, and then to it I added my strawberry flavor and I added enough sugar the way I like it. Add as much as you want given Kenya unataka, what makes you, what tickle, whatever they say. Yes, so I add, mtu asinijudge ati I put too much sugar. This was enough for me and mine. So I just mixed that up very nicely for that smooth consistency, and then I stored it in a jar and I put it in the fridge, and oh my, we enjoyed this for like 4 or 5 days. And even watching this while I'm editing, I like want to make more. If there's something I love about CBC is how it makes you as a parent to be so invested in your kids' education. Like over here, we were making a calendar. Like this year, we've made, what is it this year? I think like over the past 2 months, we've made a chart, we've made a scrapbook. Now we were making a calendar, and I really enjoy it, you guys. I feel like I am a creative person, and just doing stuff like this and seeing the results really make me happy as a parent, and also seeing how happy my child is after we've done such things. Like I love CBC, you guys. I really, really do.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
Hey guys, it is Saturday. I brought my babies outside for some sun. It is 11 and the sun is so hot you would think it's like 2 p.m. So we are not going to be here for a long time. In like 10-15 minutes we'll be back in the house. I want to get my hair done today. So yeah, I want them to be tired so they can take their afternoon naps. My nanny will be doing my hair. So tutakuwa tunashukia tu kwa nyumba, so I want them to at least nap in the afternoon so that we can do hair in peace. And also it's a beautiful day outside. I want them to have fun. See, at every time I bring them outside, just in case you saw my, I think like 2 vlogs ago, every time I bring them outside I say it's because I want them to take their afternoon naps. But no, sometimes I do it because I want them to have fun. I want us to bond outside the house. I'm not that bad of a mom. It is Sunday. I don't know if it's morning or afternoon. It is 11:28. I just woke up. Also, I got my hair done yesterday, like I had said, by my nanny. I like it. She does nice braids, by the way. I also like this color. It complements my skin really well. I think it's number 30, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I think it's number 30. So I want to have breakfast. Luckily, the kids have already had breakfast and they've already been bathed. So it's just me. My nanny also just went for off and Peter is not here. That's why we didn't go to church today. I want to have my breakfast. There is ndomas. I miss ndomas so freaking much that I can't already. When you're craving for something, I can't wait to just serve myself the ndomas and a cup of tea and just sit and enjoy that. And then we'll see how the day goes. I don't have a lot to do today. We already even did homework yesterday, but we're going to see. I have to like just find some fun things to do with the kids. Sorry if you can hear other kids outside. My balcony door is open and like your place where we chairs is like this way, so I can really hear the noise. I hope you cannot hear it, honestly. So let's serve up that ndoma and tea and see how this day goes.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. You try to stay strong and fake a smile until you're too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Guys, I'm on my way to work. I'm late. I thought that I was going to like get ready with you properly, make breakfast and all that, but I am late. So nimebeba tea bag. I'm going to have breakfast huko mbele and the sun is like out. You would think ni 12 11 there, but it's actually 8 o'clock. So let me rush, get there and then we'll talk.
You're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Guys, the lighting is a bit trash over here also. If you hear an echo, ni sababu the room is quite big and I'm by myself, so echo haiwezi kosa. I am so bored. It is 12 p.m. and I feel like I've been here for 2 days. Like I want to go home so bad right now. I feel like I need human interaction. I am by myself from Sambili. So yeah, I haven't spoken to anyone. I also made the mistake of putting on earphones, like the whole morning nimekuwa na earphones watching YouTube, and I just realized it's been like 3 hours now kama sijaamkia hiyo kiti. I feel tired, I feel dizzy, so I'm just here chilling. Luckily we have like a view where we can see outside, so I'm just watching kids play, wako on break. Yeah, and then nikingojea saa saba. I think I'm going to have cake for lunch. Tuko na nimesahau what is the place called, sijui Beehive. I'm not sure. I'm going to show you guys lunch ikishafika. I think I'll just get myself a slice of cake, and then I'll have that with some lemon tea, because I carried a tea bag. Is that a tea bag or a tea sachet? I think so. You will see. I'll show you that, guys. And then I think I'll edit the vlog for the afternoon, because I have nothing better to do and I am tired of wasting time. Also, guys, my nails are doing so good. This is like week number 3. I haven't lost even one, and they still look so good. Like, I love them. The guy did a nice job this time. So yeah, after lunch I'm going to edit this vlog ndio time isonge bio, and then I'll see you guys in my next one.